Imagine discovering a new color that you've never seen before, one that shifts your entire perception of the world. This is what stepping into the fifth dimension can feel like, a profound shift in how you experience reality. The fifth dimension isn't a place, but a state of being marked by expanded consciousness and spiritual awakening. Historically, the concept of multiple dimensions comes from ancient spiritual teachings, which suggest that our universe is far more complex than we perceive with our ordinary senses. Today we delve into what the fifth dimension means in spiritual terms, trace its roots in historical teachings, and set the stage for what you will uncover about this intriguing state of existence through this video. Now that you have a glimpse of what the fifth dimension is, let's explore how one can recognize they are entering this new state of consciousness. The signs of shifting to a higher dimension can be subtle and vary widely among individuals, but they typically involve changes across emotional, physical, and spiritual realms. Emotionally, you might feel an intense surge of joy, sudden bouts of deep sadness, or a profound sense of peace. Physically, some report sensations like increased energy, unusual patterns of sleep, or even physical symptoms that doctors can't explain. Spiritually, many describe a feeling of deep connection to all that exists, an enhanced perception, or a sudden interest in metaphysical topics. We'll also share stories from those who have experienced these signs firsthand, offering a more tangible grasp of what to expect as you transition to 5D. After exploring the signs and symptoms of awakening to the fifth dimension, it's essential to understand how to recognize these changes in yourself. Awareness is key. You might notice shifts in how you perceive the world around you, feeling more connected or detached from your usual environment and relationships. To assess these changes, consider keeping a diary of your experiences and feelings, noting any new thoughts or sensations that seem out of the ordinary. Comparing your current state to your past can also be enlightening. Reflect on whether you feel more at peace, less interested in material gains, and more drawn to nature or spiritual activities than before. This reflection can help confirm whether you are indeed experiencing the shift to a higher dimension. As you recognize your shift to the fifth dimension, you'll start to notice significant changes in your daily life and interactions. Living in this new state can affect everything from your routine to your relationships. You may find yourself prioritizing activities that align more closely with your inner values, possibly leading to a shift in your career or hobbies towards more fulfilling pursuits. Relationships may deepen as you connect on more profound levels, or some might drift away if they no longer resonate with your new perspective. We'll also explore the long-term adjustments that come with living in 5D, such as a sustained sense of peace and a new approach to handling life's challenges. Lastly, we'll discuss whether these shifts are permanent and how they might evolve as you continue to grow within this new dimension. Following the personal transformations you've begun to understand and embrace, it's important to look at the wider phenomenon known as the Great Awakening. This term captures the collective rise in spiritual awareness that many people around the world are experiencing. Unlike personal awakenings, which are individual and unique, the Great Awakening represents a massive shift in consciousness that affects communities, societies, and even global structures. It prompts us to question and reassess our values, systems, and beliefs on a larger scale. In this segment, we'll discuss how these global changes differ from individual spiritual awakenings and the potential impacts they may have on our world. This broader perspective helps us see how interconnected our personal changes are with global evolutions. In our journey through understanding the fifth dimension, it's crucial to know about the physical and emotional symptoms often associated with this ascension process. Many people report experiencing various physical symptoms like changes in appetite, energy fluctuations, and unexplained aches, which can often be mistaken for common health issues. On the emotional and mental side, feelings of confusion, bursts of emotional release, or profound moments of clarity are common. These experiences can be intense and sometimes unsettling as your body and mind adjust to a higher state of consciousness. Understanding that these symptoms can last different lengths of time and managing them effectively is key to a smoother transition into the fifth dimension. Transitioning to the fifth dimension isn't without its challenges. As individuals undergo this significant change, they may encounter various obstacles that can make the process seem daunting. These challenges might include feeling out of sync with old friends or family, or struggling to integrate new spiritual insights into everyday life. It's essential to develop strategies for managing these difficulties, such as seeking support from like-minded communities or engaging in regular meditation and mindfulness practices. Highlighting the importance of community can also be incredibly beneficial, as connecting with others on a similar path can provide emotional support and shared experiences that reinforce one's personal growth and understanding during this transformative period. As we continue to explore the fifth dimensional shift, it becomes essential to provide practical advice on how to navigate this new reality. Adapting to daily life in 5D involves understanding how to maintain balance and harmony within this higher state of being. Simple practices such as meditation, mindful breathing, and staying grounded in nature can significantly help stabilize and integrate the new energies you're experiencing. Moreover, planning for the long term is crucial. It involves rethinking your goals and aspirations to align with your new understanding of the world. As you grow into this dimension, learning to live with your enhanced awareness will bring profound changes to your personal and professional life, helping you to live more fully in alignment with your true self. As you navigate life in the fifth dimension, developing your intuition and following your inner guidance become vital. This part of the journey emphasizes trusting your inner feelings and insights that guide your decisions and experiences. Techniques like meditation, journaling, and reflective practices can enhance your intuitive abilities, helping you to connect more deeply with your inner self. We will share stories from individuals who have successfully tapped into their intuition, illustrating how this powerful tool has guided them through critical decisions and life changes. These examples serve to inspire and validate the significance of intuition as a compass during the shift to higher consciousness. We've explored various aspects of the fifth dimensional shift, from recognizing the signs to embracing the changes in our lives. As we conclude this video, remember that this journey is unique to each individual, and the experiences and symptoms can vary widely. We hope this guide has provided you with a clear understanding of what to expect and how to navigate these changes. For those looking to delve deeper into this topic, we recommend exploring books, articles, and other resources to further your understanding and support your journey. Remember, you're not alone in this. There's a whole community of like-minded individuals experiencing similar changes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. Together, we can continue to learn and grow in this extraordinary shift of consciousness.